Here I would like to show you our residual liquid residual gas removal machine. And this is our finished and packaged machine ready to ship to our US client. And this is the system, and it's the conveyor, and it's the flipping device to flip the cylinder up and down and to remove the residual liquid and residual gas outside. And for the residual gas, it can also be accessible to the cylinder's incinerator as a fuel, and we could customize according to your requirements on different sizes cylinders. This is our hydro testing machine for LPG cylinders, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 stations, and we could customize the quantity of stations based on your capacity, and it could test the pressure the cylinders can withstand. This is our leakage testing machine, and this is a 6-station testing machine. The machine is used for test the leakage of the gas cylinder valves. And if you want to test more cylinders at the same time, we can customize the machine according to your requirements. This is our valve space, and this it has the anti-expansion motor, and we will customize them according to your cylinder sizes requirements and other special needs. This is our semi-finished fully automatic silk printing machine, and this machine is for logo printer on cylinders. And this is a double station. Its capacity can be 2,000 pieces per